Earlier today, the owner of a large cattle farm sent me a message. One of his cows was refusing to stand or eat, and something was clearly wrong. I'm the village veterinarian, so I grabbed my tools and rushed over to check. Upon arrival, it didn't take long to spot the problem. The cow's leg was severely injured, and she was clearly in pain. Before I could start treating her, I had to secure the injured leg to prevent sudden movements. Even in pain, she was cooperative, as if she knew we were here to help. Now, let's get to work and help this poor girl walk again. I started by carefully cleaning off all the dirt, mud, and debris packed into her hoof. Then, I examined every wound, removing sharp objects and cleaning out any infected areas. What I found was alarming. There were signs of necrosis, likely from a long-standing injury that had gone unnoticed. I also had to remove some parasites that were causing infection and further damage. Once the hoof was fully cleaned and all the damaged tissue was removed, I applied a strong antibiotic ointment to prevent further infection. I followed that with anti-inflammatory medicine to ease her pain. Finally, I bandaged the leg tightly to protect it during recovery. Every step counts in helping her heal and regain her strength. Moments like this remind me why I became a veterinarian. These animals can't speak, but their eyes, their body language, they show everything. I know she'll walk again soon. Thanks for watching this real-life hoof rescue. Don't forget to subscribe if you care about animals like we do.